Today it's all about letting go, decluttering, leaving things behind and cutting down to the essentials. In my last video, I shared the reasons why I'm going on a world trip, why I'm leaving Austria and why I'm searching for a new home. And today is the day. I'm packing up my things and ending the lease of this beautiful house at the edge of the forest here in Lower Austria. This house was a big dream of mine. Living here has been magical. Summer nights with a campfire and good food, just unforgettable. But after 5 years, I'm sitting down for what feels like one of the last supper here. Tomorrow, it's time to say goodbye because I've got a new dream. And in order to live it, I have to release the old one, this house. Welcome to Alethics, the channel for success of the body, mind and soul. Subscribe now if you're ready to go beyond surface level noise and dive straight into the truth of things. Yes, today we are diving deep into decluttering, simplifying and letting go once again. And as you can see, I'm right in the middle of it. I'm moving out of this 120 square meter house and stripping life back down to the essentials. And let me tell you, it's a crazy process. On one hand, it's tough to part with stuff. I've already cleared out the upper floor, and when you look around, you suddenly realize how much you've accumulated over the years. It's insane. But at the same time, it's such a freeing experience. Reducing is actually one of Saturn's core principles, cutting down what really matters, bringing structure and focusing. And even though it's hard, sometimes really hard, it's also deeply healthy, natural even. Life moves in cycles, and part of those cycles is releasing over and over again. Every time I've done this in my life, it opened the door for big leaps forward. Usually, we just move step by step, but when you go all in, sell, give away, reduce, live out of one bag, suddenly new possibilities explode into your life. Because you've freed yourself from all that weight. And that's not only in the outer physical world, it's also in your head. The more you can let go of who you were, the more you can become someone else. So the moving truck is already waiting outside, and yeah, this place, this landscape, it's been wonderful. But it's time for something new. How does it feel for you? Time for something new? Drop it in the comments below. Honestly, I've been sorting through tons of stuff. The whole week just cleaning up my laptop, deleting files. I've thrown out everything I don't need anymore. It's wild how much we collect anyway. But now I'm on the way to living out of nothing more than a carry-on bag. That's the challenge I've set for myself for the next few months. Everything else goes away or into storage. Only what I truly need comes with me in a little bag. Let's see how that goes, freeing myself from almost everything and living just with the essentials. Subscribe if you want to follow along on this journey, and let me know in the comments below, how do you deal with letting go, with freeing yourself from all the baggage and becoming a better version of yourself. We've all got way too much stuff, right? And most people stay on the surface. If you're not most people, subscribe to Alethics and start uncovering the truth that really matters. Because the truth is always calling. Follow it.